Hey everyone, since being home a lot, I have been doing some different hair care products, but recently, about a month ago, I posted on my Instagram about the Save Me From hair mask that I used. I've been using it once a week since. It's been 4 weeks now. I absolutely love it. You can sleep in this mask or you can style it. Either way, it works really great. If you sleep in it, your hair is dry the next morning and you can just go ahead and style it. So all you have to do is take about 3 pea size of the product and start from the ends of your hair and rub it up. All right, this is my hair immediately after drying it. All I did was brush it. And again, I used the Thermal Obsession hair mask. As you can see, I've used a lot of it. This one's only $30, and with my code, you can get 20% off. Some exclusions do apply. But yeah, so this is the one I used. Absolutely swear by it. Haven't done anything to my hair. I do use hot tools on my hair about 4 times a week, like I said earlier, and my hair looks great. So I suggest this completely.